already printed, and we just read it and we apply the policy. That's it, right? So skills needed. If you are good at conceptual stuff, go for top level manager. Right? Go for master degree. After master degree, do some certifications. Right? If you want to go for top level management in the marketing side, in the finance side, in the accountancy side, so we have a certifications and this kind of degrees. So you go through that and you will increase your conceptual skill. If you want to go towards the middle level managers, so you need to basically balance your all skills. And if you want to go for lower level managers, you don't need to be a conceptual skill holder, and that's it. You just need to manage the people and more of technical skill. Now, your CGPA sometimes also show your ability to work in a top level, middle level, or low level managerial role. Some organizations, they say that if your CGPA is above 3.5 out of 4, then your conceptual skill is high. You should train yourself to be the top manager. And if you're like from 3 to 3.3, you have middle managers, abilities. You can manage your first line managers and like that. And if your CGPA is 2.5 to 2.9, then you are a lower level manager. All right. Of course, the workers, they are not graduated, they are not MBAs, they are not having the bachelor degree or certification, so they work for the organization and that's it. As a workers, that's it, employee. So that's just the research. It's not necessarily true because we have seen that many people are drop out from college and they have established an enormous business. Steve Jobs, we have HP, right? So it's just the research that I'm talking about. But we do know that for top level manager, you must have high conceptual skills. For middle level, ratio is almost equal. And for lower level manager, you must have higher technical skills. Any question? Okay, beside all these skills and all the stuff, still it means if you have all these stuff, you are good to go? No, there are some dilemmas, some challenges that modern day managers they are facing. So contemporary management styles, they are facing technological issues. No, working through house, working through home during Corona, you need to learn Zoom. And many managers they don't know what is Zoom, what is Zoom, what is Woo meeting, what is Think Talk, this kind of stuff. There is a huge shift, and in the you can say that the change was so rapid. You cannot even some managers couldn't comprehend this change working from home. Focus on disruptive innovations. See, if you think that okay, you are innovative enough, think about that new technology comes and they destroy the previous innovation and that's it. So you need to continuously evolving. That's why we have Microsoft 2010, 12, 13, 16, 19, 21, and then we have Microsoft 365. Then we have cloud-based system as well, right? So organization is continuously innovating itself. And now the new role is for social media. Who imagined at 10 years ago some little post can affect so much? You have heard that Ronaldo, one move of Ronaldo, of Coca-Cola, he just took the bottle and took aside. It cost Pepsi Cola $4 billion loss in one day. This is the power of social media. You also need to manage this kind of stuff. Ethics. Some things are legal, but should you do that? For example, producing arms in United States is not illegal. So should you produce that? But as a society, it is harmful, but it is legal. Similarly, there are some things now managers are facing gay employees, lesbian employees, and there are many other triads and all the stuff. Many mixed and strange and weird relationships are coming, and they are also exposing and they are publicly embracing that one. So how you manage this kind of stuff, right? It is legal, but should you do that or not? You need to manage that. And then focus on political uncertainty. You have seen the era of Trump, right? There was very much political uncertainty in the US, also in other stuff, and you know we have seen the political crisis of Venezuela, Cuba, and then right now in Bangladesh, in Pakistan, in Sri Lanka, in China right now, right? And due to Corona, it is this all those stuff is rising rapidly. And also the last part, focus on customers. Now the world has shifted from mass production to customization according to customer needs. The same product you are producing for Chinese people doesn't mean that the same product is going to be hit in another country. You need to modify that according to their own taste, own demands, right? So in order to have skills, technical skills, conceptual skills, and the human skills, doesn't mean that you are a good manager. That is good that you have it. You can be a top level manager, but remember, as the world is changing so fast, these issues are also necessary for you to get grip on that, right? So